Okay.
Action.
What do you guys feel like playing today?
I don't know, Brent. Hey, wait. How about a song about Dr. Phil?
Dr. Phil?
Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil?
Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil.
Okay then. Yeah.
Okay. How about, everybody know your strings and chords?
Yep.
Si, senor.
Of course.
Okay, I'll start off. You guys come in wherever needed. And then, Ed, you start off the vocals.
All right.
Okay. Dr. Phil, taking after Oprah. She's better than you will ever be. She's a black woman, black woman, black woman, black woman.
Dr. Phil, how those stupid guys think.
You are stupid!
Too many drunk guys. Oh yeah.
Get a job! Grow some hair! Cut your mustache! You look like a prostitute too!
You have no style as well. You're just completely dumb as hell. They say Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil! Dr. Phil! Dr. Phil! Dr.
You need some professional help.
Hey, I like Dr.